Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix broken lore unfollow game, crashing, not launching, not loading, lagging, freezing, stuck on loading screen, black screen, or other issues on PS5. So let's go through the methods. So the first method is to restart your PlayStation. It's one of the best way to fix the issue. It will resolve temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. Just open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button, then select power button and then select restart PS5. Once done, launch the game and check. If not, next method is to check storage space on console. So for that, go to PS5 settings and move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. After that, go to PS5 settings, tap on save data and game or app settings. Now select save data PS5. Next, select console storage and then tap on delete option. Next is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5. Now hold down power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller by USB cable and then select rebuild database. Next method is to check PS5 overheating. So make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue on PS5. Next is to check for game update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues. So make sure you check if there is an update available, and after updating the game, now try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, go to settings, then tap on users and accounts, then go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into the PS5 account and check for the error if it is resolved or not. If not, next is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings, then click on network, click on settings, then click on setup network connection. Here click on options. Now under Wi-Fi frequency, you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, next is to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings on your PS5, then select system. Now go to system software, then click on system software update and settings. After that, select update system software if any update is available, and finally select update using internet option. Next is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings and go to system. Here choose language option in the left sidebar, then select current language. Now change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, next method is to restore licenses. For that, open settings, then you click on users and accounts, then move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select broken lore unfollow game and click on restore. Finally confirm by selecting yes. If not, next is to delete game save file PS5. For that, open settings on PS5 menu. Now choose save data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage and then select the game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to reinstall broken lore unfollow game. For that, first highlight the game on your PS5 and press options on your controller. Now select delete and confirm it. Finally restart your PS5 and install the game once again to check if the error is fixed. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So if nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link is already in the description. You just have to explain whatever the issue you are coming across while playing the game, and hopefully the support team will try to resolve it. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.